What's up, Cloud Life? It's Overflow Nexus back again, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial market. It has been 3 months since I have put out content for you guys, and I know you guys are like, where have you been? Why have you left us? But if y'all want to know more, I want to just say this, put it out there. Follow me on Rumble. I'm going to be putting content on Rumble. I'm tired of YouTube doing shadow banning. That's part of the reason why I have moved to another platform. I haven't put out really any content over there. I'm just setting up stuff. I've been thinking how to say what I would need to say without being flagged or without being shadow banned, because I have stuff that I've been holding back, and I've been thinking about how to do it. So Rumble is where I'm going to be at. Talk about the juicy stuff. If you want trading content, I'm going to be talking about trading on this channel, but on Rumble I'm going to talk about a lot more important stuff. So I've been gone for a while. Y'all know, those that follow me already know I've been gone for a long time. But that being said, follow me on Rumble. I'm going to talk more about it on Rumble. I don't want to waste too much of y'all's time watching this video. I want to get right into it. I hope y'all been blessed in Jesus' name. I just want to start talking about the charts, and then we'll talk about what what's have I been planning and plotting behind the scenes on Rumble. So y'all follow me on Rumble. I'll do live streams over at Rumble, content over here on YouTube for trading and all that stuff. But yeah, YouTube has not been friendly for a lot of reasons, and I'll talk about that later. But that being said, let's take a look at these charts. Is XRP ready for the boom? Are we ready to fly to the upside? In my opinion, I disagree with the sentiment of most people on Twitter. Everybody has been very bullish on Twitter. Everybody's saying it's time for the market to fly. There is some things that I am not liking as far as a bullish run. However, I don't like currently what I'm seeing in here, because we just retested this area for the fourth time, really. So if we look at it, let me draw it up for you guys so y'all could really see what I'm talking about. Hopefully I get my brush tool really soon. Let's see, where is it at? Right there. So in here we have tested here, here. So really about five times we have tested in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bubbles I've drawn up. But if you see the wicks, we have been in this area quite a few times. So the question is now, are we ready to moon? Me personally, I don't think we're ready just yet. We have fake news that pumped the market up. Fake news that's able to move the market like this is telling me that everybody's greedy. Everybody's has a lot of greed right now, which is not a good sign. A lot of people, there's no fear in the market, which is all fine, but when there's greed, that's the problem. And whenever there's greed, that means big money is waiting for stupid money to come in. And I'm seeing rejection here already. If you look very carefully at this wick, we're already getting signs of rejection here, which is, great for those that are looking to get in for a position here, whether they be bullish or bearish. But who's going to win it here? Me personally, I think the bears are going to take it. If we zoom out, we'll take a look at TDI. If we zoom out, look in here, we are starting to get overextended on the daily. If you look at the weekly, we are very overextended. We were overextended. We had a shark hook come back in, and we're now seeing if we're going to retest moving higher, or if we're going to reject at this current level, start moving to the downside. Personally, I think we're going to start moving to the downside. I want to show you guys this before I get any further. Excuse me. If you look at the weekly ichimoku red line and blue line, the Kijun and Tenkan, we are following the direction of the crossover, which is bearish. This is just a move to the upside, which is a small correction. So if we use Fibonacci from the top point here all the way here, we haven't hit the 38 the 38 percentage yet, which will be at the 62.5 cent mark. Once we get that, if we get that, I'll look for some shorts in this area, and even in this area I'm still looking for shorts. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, I want to show you guys something. If you noticed, we zoom out here, look what has happened here. That same resistance level, we see it right here where price rejected at this wick up here. So that's a good indication. We're starting to see bearish pressure come in here, and we already got a signal to go short already. Now coming down to the 1-hour time frame, this is what I'm seeing. This is why I'm looking to go short. I'm seeing some bearish divergence. Starting to see a particular Y wave pattern here, which is saying that it could be either a continuation to the upside or the downside. These are the scenarios that I would like to see if I'm going to be bullish. I want to see it come back, retest, drop to either the 50% level or the 6180 level, touch and go, and you'll see them move to the upside. However, if we fail to get that, most likely I'm seeing this market push back down to the downside, probably retest into the 41 cent, 47 and 50 cent levels once again. If we look back in the past here, you'll see why I'm looking at those areas and considering them. But that's what I'm seeing currently for this market. It is interesting right now. A lot of people are showing signs of greed in this market, and showing signs of greed is not good for people that want to make a return on their investment. Greed is the killer of people's accounts. A lot of people have not taken profit. A lot of people don't know how to take profit because everybody's on that greed game, thinking the market's going to go higher than it should. If you look at the stock market's crashing. You got the Dow Jones, and I'll show you guys real quick. The Dow Jones has been on a crash. I have been looking at the Dow Jones. I took a trade on the Dow Jones recently, and I caught a short. I got out a little earlier than I wanted to because I was conflicted right here, but I should have stayed in the trade. But that's fine. Profit's profit. But I saw the same thing. I saw some divergence going on here, and the market has moved shorter. So we know that usually when the stock market goes down, crypto usually goes down. But what's different this time? Why is crypto going up while the stock market goes down? One of the charts is lying. I do believe that the crypto market will crash. I've been saying this, and y'all have to be patient. It's playing the big game. But if you are a investor, it doesn't matter. If you're a day trader, then you're going to be looking at the bigger time frames. If you look at the bigger time frames, let's take a look. We still are in a small term correction, drop correction, and we'll see that next drop happen in this area. That's what I'm seeing anyway. We also have a potential head and shoulder pattern here. Back down. So that being said, you guys tell me in the comment section what you guys think. Do you think we're still going to aim to the upside? Do you think we're going to go to the downside? Let me know in the comments, and I will catch you guys on Rumble. I will catch you guys on also on YouTube as well for trading content. If y'all have any currencies or stocks that y'all want me to look at, mention them in the comment section below. And if y'all want to catch me talk about some real stuff on Rumble, uncensored content, follow me over there. The link will be in the description or in the comment section, maybe even both. All right, that being said, peace. God bless you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.